who draws.
Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland, and I'm a dad who loves to draw. Hey, today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to draw a possum with her 3 babies. She's really cute, but we're going to use a rectangle to do this, and that's going to help to keep our proportion correct. You're going to love this. It's a great tool to learn. Come on, let's get to drawing. All right, first thing we're going to do is start off with a nice long rectangle. This is going to help us establish correct proportion as we draw our possum with her babies. So with this rectangle, we're going to find the center of it. And then we're going to put the head on one side, and you can kind of see where I'm using that rectangle kind of as a guide. So this is almost like a cone shape for her head. And then her body is going to be a nice big oval, still using the rectangle shape as a guide. Hey, if you're liking this video, go down there and give me a thumbs up. This little U shape will be the part that's dead center of the rectangle, but this is going to represent the inside part of her legs. And then we'll work on the back legs. You know, when we're drawing an object of anything, sometimes it's good to start off with putting that whole object inside a giant rectangle. It really helps us when we're drawing the proportion of trying to establish where things go. It's a very useful tool. Okay, you kind of seen where I've put both of my eyes, and they're going to be very small and squinty. Getting her a nice big smile here. Let's get some ears. Now this backside ear is going to be behind the head, and the front is going to be in front of us. Again, drawing very, very lightly. Let's get some of her babies on here, and we'll keep those very simple. Small triangles with a round back. Let's just place the heads here before we draw the rest of the bodies. Coming back around for the 3 bodies and just making them small curves. So their heads are on one side of her body, and then of course their small little bodies are going around the back side. Get some ears on those little guys. I've added the final drawing on the left-hand side so you can really kind of see where we're going. Get that nice long tail. Getting that fur. Remember, this is an underdrawing, so we want to keep it light till we get a lot of our detail in place. And then we can draw on top of it and darken our lines. You'll notice also in the final drawing on the left-hand side, I've kind of left the rectangle underdrawing. And I've left that there just to kind of show you where it would go. But by all means, once you get to this point, it might be wise to erase that line, especially the corner there that's visible. Adding a couple tails for the little guys, and then you can move on to your darker final drawing. And that brings us up to the 5 o'clock, the 5-minute mark. I darken your lines, add some color if you like. And there is our little mother of a possum. All right, I hope you like that, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.